Welcome back to my channel RFunDiaries. My name is Ryan Khan and I hope you all are doing great. In the other day, I read some amazing science facts that I wanted to share with you. Guys, did you know babies have around 100 more bones than adults? Whoa, that's a lot of bones. Guys, did you know the Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer? In 2.3 billion years, it would be too hot for life to exist on Earth. Wow, we must take care of Earth. Stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve stainless steel. Whoa, we have a strong stomach acid. I hope you all like this video. Please share, comment, like and subscribe, and also recommend me a book that is nice for me to read. Thank you. Bye.